Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is December the 19th. Let's take a look here, guys, with the chart of the day. Today is the New Zealand USD. Now here is the 1 hour time frame of the New Zealand USD. Looking for the downside as long as it stays below 58.80. So any rally is expected to fail here in 3711 swing. So that's pretty straightforward. So I think what is really more interesting, I believe, is not the 1 hour, but it's actually in the larger time frame. So let's take a look starting from the weekly time frame. Now the weekly time frame, guys, is a very interesting case here. So what happens here is, let's see, this peak in 2011 is 88.40 and this peak is 88.36. So this is higher than this. All right, now couple of things here. Now you notice this leg here, 1 2 3. Now if you measure the 100% of this, now we are basically hitting the 100%, right? We're hitting the 100%, and this is the low that we got since 2020. We are also at the lower end of this very I mean, it's the third time it's trying to break, right? So we'll see how it goes, whether or not this can survive. But this rally is kind of looking impulsive. This rally also kind of looking impulsive. Now of course I can still come up with a EBC and so on, but for now let's, depending whether we hold above this, which is not really that far away, 55.12, right? If we hold above 55.12, then potentially we can actually start to find support somewhere between where we are to 55.12, right? But if we break below 55.12 here, right, then potentially it will also break below this 2020 low, which is the 54.70. And then if it does break below 54.70, then basically what you're looking at right now is continuation lower. So you can call this ABC, and then this is the connector WX, and then this is another ABC, and then that will be a Y leg, right? You can call it that way, and then at least it is going to go to 49.06, right? Another possible option will be counting this as a diagonal 1 2 3 4 5. So you can call this A leg here, and this is a B. So the difference here is simply that you measure target lower from the A to the B. So then actually the target will be lower than 49. The target 100% is going to go to as low as 41. Now I don't know, that seems to be extremely low. It's possible, anything's possible. As long as it doesn't go to 0, anything is possible, right? But I think now all eyes will be on 55. If we break below, then I think USD is going to get very strong, guys. All right, it's going to get very strong. And so yeah, so right now we are very in the interesting area. This is the last stand, more or less. This is it. If it doesn't hold, it breaks, then actually it can continue to the downside. But if it holds, then potentially, even though we can still see for the downside, potentially we could start to go sideways a little bit, and then finally found some sort of support before starting to rally in 3 ways, right? But for the time being, what it looks like, what it feels like very strong to the downside. So we'll see how it goes, but still we have not broken below the low. So for now we don't yet have the confirmation, but at least in the shorter cycle we shall see more downside still, and any rally expected to fail in 3711 swing, right? What I'm interested about is whether we can hold above this one or not, 55. If it doesn't hold, most likely it's going to break below this as well, and then it can go to WXY 49, 0.49 as the next potential target on the downside. All right, So that's the update here, guys, for today. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service, and we have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.